Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. I've just received my very first Happy Meal. This box, yeah. I'm not going to open it first, I'm going to show you what else I've been doing first. But I know who it's from, but I'll tell you after. Well, these are the two little baby cardigans. That's a little yellow one which I had finished. That's the little pink, the rosebud lace one. This is a very popular pattern, this one. I think I might even do a cardigan for myself with this pattern on, because I've done that much of it and I like it. And this little one, this is one of my own I'm doing to sell. It'll be another 18-inch baby one when it's finished. And I started one of the sides. That was last night. That was as far as I got last night after I'd finished the little pink one. So I've got that one to finish. But I thought this morning, I haven't done any of those coasters for the girls yet. I'm going to have to do those. So that's what I've just started doing, a little a little coaster. I'm just going to do plain colours because they are quicker to do, and I'll do what I can in the time that I have left to do these before I go to my bingo. I've got a little bit longer today because I usually leave about 5:15. It takes me about half an hour to get to my friends, sometimes longer depending on the traffic on the A1 at the moment, because it's very bad. They're doing a lot of revamping, widening the roads and what have you. I'm not even sure what they're doing, but I always leave about 5:15 to get to my friends, at least by 6:15, and then we go on to the place up near Ponteal and Wilsington for our bingo. But one of the girls, it's her son's birthday and they're going for a meal, and she'll not be able to get there at the time we normally go, so we've changed it to 8 o'clock tonight, so I don't have to leave until 7:30, and the traffic will not be as bad at that time, which I'm happy about. I wish they would change the time, because that was the time we used to go before all this lockdown thing started. But with us having to sit outside, we went earlier because it got cold, very cold later on. But I think they could change it back again, because one or two of the girls work and they are coming straight from work, so they don't even have time to get any tea, anything to eat before they come. And this pub we go to, they do an odd sandwich, they can get things like that. But I think a lot of them would prefer to have a meal. But anyway, I'm doing my little coaster here, and I'm going to sort out just do some single coloured ones for them. They might not disappear as fast because everybody keeps pinching them. I give them to one of the girls who does most of the thing. She does the player cards, right, and we all supply the bingo tickets. Well, they all take a little bit of money out of what we put in for the games to pay for all the books, and they need raffle tickets for the player cards, right. And I usually give them to her, and then everybody's supposed to give them back to her at the end of the night, so she's got them for the next time. Well, last week I forgot to take mine. I usually take one of my own with me in my bag, and I forgot. And I asked the girl, I says, could I have one of those coasters for me drink, because the condensation was running off onto the table. And she says, Sheila, I've only got 2 left. And she says, me and Tracy's got them. So I had a spare mask in my bag. I used the mask to put my glass on, otherwise there was going to be condensation dripping all over the table. They just don't supply beer mats anymore. They think it can pick the virus up from the beer mats. But anyway, I'm going to open this box now and let you see what's inside it. I didn't even have time. I've only just been coming down, got my breakfast, and I haven't even had time to, my hair's still hanging all over the place. I haven't had time to sort my hair out or anything. Oh, I'm not bothered. When I was younger, I didn't bother sorting my hair out. My hair was hanging down all the time. But your hair's different when you get older. It's not the same. Oh, this is well wrapped up, this box. Around the other side. That's one part. That's just the label with my name on. I think I need one of them proper knife things for opening these. I've probably got one somewhere, but I'm going to put the box down because you're not being able to see. Oh, and there's a letter. It says, "Dear Sheila, as promised, here is the wool or yarn. It's all new and only a small amount was taken from each of the balls, which was used for making little toys. Hence the reason for no ball bands. You should be able to get quite a few coasters from this lot, or maybe make a few little baby things. Anyway, I'm very glad you will be able to make use of them. It was a pleasure to pass them on to you." Reading the comments, everyone seemed to like the turquoise jumper. I hope it will be good for your orders and yet not too much that will overwhelm you. Once again, thank you so much. Happy knitting. Love, Carol. And as you'll have noticed from that, this was from the lady who I knit the turquoise sweater for. And she said, "P.S. I hope you wouldn't mind if I say nearer autumn or winter time I could ask you to make me a cardigan. There would definitely be no rush." I will certainly make a cardigan for you, Carol. I'm going to have a look. Oh, this is Sirdar Kisses Delicate Stripe Effect. It's like I think I've got my computer in the wrong place. I don't know if I can turn it sideways or that way. It's hard to see the colour really, but it's like a beige coffee, different coffee shades, that's what I would call it. That one. And this is another Sirdar Raffaella. I think Raffaella, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. That's like a crinkle yarn. I used to knit with a lot like this on my knit machine years ago. And this is 51% cotton and 49% acrylic. Oh, so I can definitely make some lovely little coasters out of that one. And this one is 55% nylon and 45% acrylic. You know, when I used to have my knitting machine, all of the yarn I used to get was nylon, or nylon and acrylic, and you can't seem to buy the ordinary double knitting now. You have to pay, you know, exorbitant prices for things like that now. So I've got 5 balls of the coffee shades, and there's 1 ball of the Raffaella. Well, it's like a lilac, that one. I'll put that one back in the bag. And I've 2 balls of, oh, this is Poundlands. Theirs is a nice wool, the Poundland. It's quite cheap actually. You get 3 balls for £2. And I've never seen, this is a lovely peach, a deep peach colour. It's deeper than it looks on here. And I've never seen this colour in my shop. So I know I can get 1 or 2 things out of that. Even a little baby thing I think I can get out of that. That's lovely, those colours. Oh, this is more from Poundland. This colour, what was this one called? Peach Mellow Cotton, that one's called. This one is just pastel. That's another one, I've never seen in my Poundland shop. That looks a lovely mix of lilac, orange, lemon, pale peach. There's 2 bowls of that. That's a really lovely colour. I'm going to look in Poundland for some of this, see if I can get some of these in my Poundland. And there's 2 bowls. I'm not sure, but I don't think they're both the same. This one has a look of cotton about it. This one might be acrylic, but they're 2 nice blue. As even mix and match, I could mix other colours with them if I wanted to knit some baby things. I'll probably weigh them and see how much there is in the balls, because I know I can get a baby cardigan, anything from about 70, 75, 80 grams, for anything from about that amount of wool. Oh, and that's my telephone ringing, and I know it's my home phone, so it's going to be one of those HMRC calls or those scam ones, you know. I never answer that. I've got an answer phone. I'll let that take it. You'll probably hear it in a minute. It's a lovely peach. These are not, I don't think they're just ordinary acrylic. I can tell by the twist on the yarn. This is a pale green. It's not a mint green, like I think you might call it Love It, that green. And a pink. That actually looks quite fine. Not sure whether it's 4-ply. That's another nice pink and a nice green. Oh, these colours. These wools are lovely, Carol. That's a mint green. Yes, these are the ones that Carol said she had taken a little bit off because that's why there's no labels on. But they're lovely, these. It's a mint green. Oh, and that's a sunshine yellow. That's what I'd call that one. That's a nice one as well. It's a lovely sunshine yellow colour. I like that one. Oh, and red. I have 2 full packs, you know, of 400 gram balls of red, and I don't like breaking into, if I'm doing coasters, I don't like breaking into any of the full packs, because if I'm going to do a cardigan or a sweater for anybody, I might just be that little bit short for doing them, so I will not break into a full pack. And I didn't have any red left, so that was very, very thoughtful, Carol. I could do with some red. That's lovely red, that one as well. It's a nice red. Oh, it's another orange, like a tangerine orange. These will come in handy in the Halloween time, won't they? The right colour for the pumpkins and that. And the yellow there, it's a nice colour for the pumpkins. I like those ones. No, and that's another green. Oh, I can't think what you call this green. Lime, like a lime green, that one. That's another nice colour. These are nice colours to mix in. They'll make lovely coasters. And there's another. Oh, this is James C. Brett Supreme Soft and Gentle Baby Double Knit. This is 70% acrylic and 30% polyamide. and it's 3.5 to 4mm needles on that one, so that's a good 100 grams, so there's quite a lot on there for to make a baby's thing if I want. And that's the last one in the box. And Carol, I am so grateful that you thought of me for to send all this wool. It's very much appreciated. You're a lovely lady, and just thank you so much. And everybody, if you like my video and would like to see more, thumbs up and subscribe. So bye for now.